Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2023 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a place you visited where the air was polluted. You should say where the place is, when you visited, why the air was not good, and explain how you felt about the place. So, as you all can see, there are 4 questions in this cue card, and we need to ensure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are speaking. So, before we jump on to the answer that I have created, let's first brainstorm a few ideas together. So for a question like this, you can use simple ideas. Maybe like you were stuck in a traffic jam and there was a lot of pollution there, or maybe you went on a vacation and you did not like the air quality there. There was a lot of pollution, or something along the lines like maybe you went to a factory or you visited some kind of a construction site and there was a lot of air pollution there. Now, the key point here is to notice that the question is specifically asking you about air pollution. So, don't just talk about pollution in general, like noise pollution or water pollution, okay? Because air and noise, there is a very high tendency for students to actually mix these two type of pollutions together. Like if they're talking about traffic jam, they would be just elaborating on the noise and the honking of cars and everything and not lay stress on the question which is air pollution, right? So I don't want you people to make this mistake. So if you are talking about something related to traffic, make sure that you are emphasizing on the air pollution part. Okay, so these are some of the ideas that I just came up with while I was reading the question. If you do have any other ideas, please do share in the comment box below. Also, I have posted a lot of videos about other cue cards which are coming up in the exams, or they were like asked to some of my students. So you can also check those out. Alright, so let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you people. Air pollution refers to the contamination of indoor or outdoor environment by any biochemical or physical agent that modifies the natural characteristics of the atmosphere. And today, I would like to talk about a construction site where the air quality was poor. So as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given a little bit of an introduction to the examiner as well as clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to talk about. Alright, so let's continue. I vividly remember that last year during my summer vacations, I decided to visit my cousins in Chandigarh and enjoy some time together. So as you all can see, we have answered the first 2 questions, which is where the place is and when you visited. We still have 2 other questions remaining. So let's answer that. Moreover, there was a new house being built in her locality which was adjacent to her residence, and there was lot of dust, fumes and smoke emitted in the surroundings. So adjacent means very near. Okay, so instead of using the word near, we used a better vocabulary word. Also, instead of saying house or home, we used a better word by saying residence. Also, emitted means to release or discharge something in the surroundings. So the smoke was emitted in the surroundings means released or discharged in the surroundings. So you can add all of these words to your vocabulary list as well, and next time when you are speaking, you can try to use it in your conversation. In fact, these words are also helpful for your writing. If you are like writing your task 2, you can improve your vocabulary for your task 2 writing if you get a topic about pollution. Actually, there are a lot of videos posted about writing task 2 on our channel as well, like the different question types and how to write a very good introduction using only 3 sentences. So you can check them out if you have time. Alright, so let's continue. Additionally, massive concrete mixers, diesel generators, as well as other construction machinery for operating on the site, leading to the discharge of toxic chemicals and gaseous emissions which further contributed to the deterioration of atmosphere, thereby resulting in poor air quality index. So as you all can see, we have given a very good elaboration for the question, which is why the air was not good. So toxic means harmful, something that causes harm to our body, which is not good for our body. Deterioration means something that degrades, like becomes poorer. All right. So the last question, which is explain how you felt about the place, still remains. So let's answer that. Finally, I felt quite disappointed as I developed irritation in my eyes, suffered from dizziness and headache, as well as developed cough, all of which ruined my holiday completely. So ruined means to spoil. You must have noticed that we use a lot of connectors here, like moreover, additionally, furthermore, finally, and all these will enhance our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.